This is ETE 110 Practical Test 1 by Carter, Morris, and Dillon. This is the first circuit.
The tutorial on 555 time circuit, driving a relay output for electrical isolation of 2 blinking LEDs with the following current limiting resistance, 500 ohms.
Alright, so the first thing we did was we added up a total resistance of 500 ohms. What we used, this formula right here, what was calculating resistance in series formula. Alright, so we use one 470 ohm resistor, three 10 ohm resistors
To equal out to 500 ohms.
to equal out to 500 ohms. Yep. And then instead of using 2 LED lights, I had one neat LED light that changes. It's a red, blue, green LED light that changes color. But as you can see, those tiny blue resistors right there are the 10 ohms, and then the big tan one is a 471. What is yellow, violet, brown, that equals 470. And then the 10 ohm resistors are brown, black, black. Alright, so this is our graphic diagram we used in the circuit. Hold on, zooming in.
Sorry, having camera troubles here. But, alright, so here's our relay right here. We have 8 pin and 6 pin as a normally open and closed relay contacts. Number 4 is the common, and number 1 and 16 are the coils. So whenever the coil is energized, it switches over to number 6, and whenever it's not energized, it stays on number 8. For the 555 timing chip, was right here. We have 8 and 4 on power. We have 7 and 6 on the side of the 1K ohm resistor. See that green going to 7, and then that 10K ohm resistor, the other green jumper, going to 6, and then 6 is also going to 2 over here. Right, and then we used a 100 microfarad capacitor with the negative side obviously on this side and the positive side on that side. Right, and then one is going to ground, what is this one right here, going over to that right here. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. This is the power used by resistors. So we have 8.5 volts going in
From the battery.
total from the battery, and then 500 ohm resistors. Right, there's a formula right there.
And we're trying to find power.
And then current minus 8.5 volts divided by 8.5 volts going in from the battery, 500 ohm resistors, total resistance. Alright, we're trying to find power. There's a formula right there. And then you do 8.5 volts divided by 500 ohms equals 0.017 amps. And then you're trying to find power, what equals 0.017 amps times 8.5 volts equals a total of 0.1445 watts.